everyone, this is Tiffany Hopkins with Oregon State University's Forestry and Natural Resources Extension program, and today I am here to take another kind of noxious plant and make something super awesome out of it. So the hawthorn shrub or tree can oftentimes grow in the understory or specifically like the edge of forests, and the name hawthorn is indicative of these kind of giant thorns that can be found on the plant, which can be hard to manage it and to eradicate it. I know from personal experience, we popped like 7 tractor tires trying to get some of these out of our property. But what's really cool and exciting is that you can make a beneficial tea from the flowers of the hawthorn, and they are flowering right now, so I want to go check that out and try making some tea and see how it turns out. So let's go harvest some hawthorn flowers. The hawthorn tree can grow from around 15 to 30 feet in height. The leaves are alternate and they're about 2 inches long. They'll have 5 to 7 lobes on each leaf and then are finely serrated. Well, let's see. In the new growth, the top of the leaf is light green and then they'll darken as they age, and then the underside of the leaf is light green. The flowers usually appear in May, and the fruits, they will stay on the tree for the entire year, like until the following spring, unless some sort of animal eats them or humans eat them. They are really great food for wildlife, and it's nice that they do stay on the tree because it provides a food source through winter. The benefits of hawthorn are related to your heart mostly. So yeah, it's been said to help protect against heart disease and then also help control high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Obviously, contact your physician or your naturopath before ingesting anything new, but those are kind of the traditional benefits of taking hawthorn. On the flip side, it's also been said to cause dizziness, nausea, and have some digestive symptom issues around it if you take too much. So also when you're looking at a hawthorn, a huge distinguishing characteristic is those big, huge thorns that are on the tree. And those can really range in size. It just depends on the age of the tree and the growing conditions. So if you are feeling those really hard, pokey spines, that's a good clue that you are looking at hawthorn, and then just take into account all the other things that we have talked about. In folklore, sometimes farmers wouldn't cut down a hawthorn, so sometimes in farmland you'll see one standing hawthorn because they thought that it was bad luck to cut the trees down because fairies lived in them, and if the tree was cut down, then the fairies might come and seek revenge on the farmers. So it's an interesting little tidbit. I hope you've enjoyed this video and enjoy your yummy hawthorn tea.